Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the best condition of your health. May Allah protect you from evil eyes. So warmly welcome dear subscriber to my enchanting world of charming hairstyle designs are here in this video. Today you can see very trendy and amazing ideas about your long hair and short hair designs called the Bun Hairstyles. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family members and hairstyle lovers. Dear subscriber, if you are hairstyle lover and you can get very amazing ideas from this video, then you are at right place, and this video today is specially for you. So dear viewers, I suggest you keep in touch with me along with my video because you can get very amazing ideas today from this video. So dear viewers, if you like it, please thumbs up for my video and my channel. Dear subscriber and dear viewers, you can get amazing ideas about your hairs, beautiful hairs. These styles are bun hairstyles. Bun hairstyles are used for every occasion, especially for wedding occasions, and if you want to wear along all the party designs, and party designs are here. So dear viewers, get amazing ideas from this video and enjoy my videos by getting these stunning ideas for your long hair designs. So dear viewers, you can also comment me because your comments are very valuable for me. So dear viewers, keep watching, stay blessed, take care.